Next, let's look at an optional addition for those who wish to have images inside of their book. If you would like to add images into your manuscript, there are a few steps that you must take. First, you will need a saved image on your computer. You cannot simply copy and paste from online sources. That will not work. To make it easy to insert an image into your manuscript, click at the end of the preceding paragraph and press the Enter key 4 times on your keyboard. Your following paragraph can continue on the 4th line. Click in the middle with your mouse to make sure that your cursor is set to the 2nd line that you made. This allows space both above and below your image. On the toolbar, you can use the Insert Image button. It has a tiny picture of a mountain with a sun. Find the location where you have saved your image on your computer. Select the image from the list and click the Open button. Alternatively, you can also choose the Insert menu and go to Image. From there, proceed in the same fashion. In order for the image to appear more correctly, use the right mouse button to click on it. Choose the Anchor submenu, and then the As Character option. Next, click to the right of your image, off to the side. It may be difficult to notice, but your blinking cursor should be appearing to the right side of your image. With your blinking cursor to the right of the image, go to the Format menu. Choose the Align Text submenu, and from there select Centered. Following this extra step will help ensure that your images appear well on all devices and in print form. And that is all for the steps for adding images. You simply need to repeat them for each image you wish to add into your book.